Dalla has new brushes again. We are gonna do a full face using these brushes. Also, let's be real here. Of course, I think my brushes are really good already. So let us see how these compare. These come in duos. Of course, you can also buy the full collection. Now, off the bat, there are some really interesting shapes in here. Guys, huwag niyong itatapon to, yung mga box. And nandito na lahat, everything you need to know. From the step to what products it will work best on, the motion of application. So this is the first set, Soft Canvas Duo. Both of these brushes are for foundation, specifically Arc Spatula Foundation for spreading out your base, and the Angled Buffer Foundation. Next, the Refined Coverage Duo comes with a flat buffer foundation naman. Round compact concealer that looks angled also. Personally, hindi ako mas spatula brush. Like, you would rarely see me using spatula brushes, but what makes it different is angled siya. So it hugs, for example, your cheek like this perfectly. As in, mas comfortable siya gamitin, mas ergonomic pa nga. This is making it really easy for me to spread out my foundation. And also, it's kind of bendy like that. As you can see, may bounce siya. Smoothie glide ng foundation, hindi siya matigas sa mukha. Even on the sides of my nose, this is really making it easy. Diba usually you flat yung mga spatula brushes? This is like angled. So the crevice is like that. May flat option sila, may angled. Let's do the angled buffer. At this point, Dalla has really so many foundation brushes already. It really will boil down to what you prefer. What size you prefer, what angle you prefer. I like the angled one because ang ganda ng pagka-sit niya. I like angled brushes, if you guys can tell. This is like an ideal density because as you can see, na-smooth out niya yung foundation ko. Hindi naman din niya nabawasan yung coverage ng foundation. So I like that. We're gonna use the flat buffer and I'm just gonna coat yung product dun sa brush. And then, apply natin siya. This way, you can really control the application. Okay, yung flat, napansin ko lang, mas maliit siya lang very light. Like, 5% smaller si flat kesa kay angled. Other than that, yun lang yung pinaka-pinagkaiba nila. I find that this does the same thing. Following motion dun sa package, nakasulat dito, buffing and pressing. So, I'm just gonna do exactly that. That's very important. Perfect nung height nito. Hindi siya sobrang matangkad. Kapag ganito, mas pack on yung coverage. If you have acne-prone skin like me, and if you want to pack on the coverage of your skin tints, your foundations, you are gonna be able to do that. Light pink concealer, round compact concealer to blend. This is just a bit bigger for me, pero I see why they did it. It totally makes sense. Kung gusto mo talagang mabilis ma-spread out yung concealer mo, best for really highlighting underneath the eyes kasi mas mabilis mo siyang magagawa. And ang puti ng pink concealer na to sa akin, sis. Compared dun sa mga nauna nilang collection, this is really denser. Note lang that the bristles they use here are Cloud Bristles Pro. So it's like an upgrade na from their very first na Cloud Bristles. But if you were to compare it to my line, this one is Arctech, this one is Cloud Bristles Pro. So this one sits in the middle. Coverage-wise, finish-wise, na blend out niya na maayos. No issue so far. Next duo, Diffuse Dimension Duo. Now, this is such a unique shape for a brush. This is a shape definer contour. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, mas perfect tong shape na to for me kaysa dito as a concealer brush. So many ways you can use this brush. If you want to clean up on the sides of your lips, color corrector, concealer, you can do that. You want to add coverage under the eyes and just focus it dun sa mismong darkness area. Pag ginanito mo siya, pa-oval shape siya. Isiksik mo siyang ganyan under the eyes and it's gonna cover that dark, hollowed area perfectly. Sides of the nose. Another way I like to use this is to clean up my brows. I have microbladed brows kasi. Ganda tong shape na to. Kasi kaya niya i-clean up yung kilay mo and mabablend na rin niya at the same time. You can also even clean up your concealer, eyeliner. Basta ang ganda na brush ito. I'm grabbing a liquid contour to stamp it. Mas diffused yung contour look na makukuha mo. Hindi siya harsh line. If you like a more natural, diffused looking contour, this is nice. Hindi ko nililinisan yung brush ko. I'm just gonna dip into a powder contour now. Kung kita nyo, meron ka ng edges dito. Yeah, mas natural talaga atake ng contour dito. Parang naka-blend out na siya. Still using this brush. Ito naman yung gagamitin kong pang-highlight. I'm gonna use a subtle curve blush for cream blush. Which is same size lang sila nung flat na foundation brush. To be honest with you, you can also use this for foundation. It's gonna give you like medium coverage. But for blush, ito yung sakop niya na area for reference, which is a really good size And medyo dense din to. So if you really want to pack on your blush, this is a really good size. I think you're gonna like this if you want like a more diffused. For me, I would personally use this as a contour brush. This is a good size for cream contour for me and it's feeling so soft on the skin. Ang ganda ng shape. Yeah, it's giving diffused, seamless application. So far, all of these brushes, ganda naman. Personally, I love the shapes on this one. This is the Blended Angles Duo. This is the Angled Fan Bronzer. I love the shape of this one. If you apply your liquid on your hand first, This one also works with liquid product. Left side, right side, both very seamless. So you see how very well made this brush is. Actually, the perfect density. It's still fluffy. It's not super packed. So you have time to diffuse your bronzer. Pro tip, if you want a sculpted look, use it like this, like angular. But if you want a diffused look, so use it like this para mas bigger yung area na sakop. I like the shape. It's fluffier on here and then more packed here. If you want to be more precise with your contour, we have the last brush, the flat chisel contour. Hindi siya super nagpick up, pero meron siyang konting lubog dyan. I like this one on my blush kasi ito talaga yung mga size ng blush brushes na bet ko. I've been using this brush lately for this blush placement. I prefer this brush for blush actually. Also, can I just say, I really like the color combination. Ang ganda yan kasi sa mata, guys. And you know what this is reminding me of? As in, hinalungkat ko sa collection ko. This one reminds me so much of my Refer brushes. I wanted to compare these to an international brand para makita nyo lang na yung quality nila, as in like the handles, actually mas mabigat pa to ng very, very light. International brand Refer, and this is Dala. Isang brush nito, I think mga nasa 2,000 pesos. Itong buong set na to, guys, less than 2K na. The quality, the shape, sobrang nag-upgrade siya. Pasado to. In fact, I like these better than yung mga beige colored brushes nila. Ang pinaka-bet ko so far, itong dalawang sets na to. Diffuse dimension, I feel like ang dami mong magagawa sa brushes na to. And we have the blended angles duo. Contour, blush, andito na complete. I even feel like you can do a full face already with these 4 brushes alone.